Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so you can see we reached above that 2,800 area. We did about 2,809. That was pre-market yesterday. We talked about that. I just want to go right to the hourly chart because we talked about the area of daily pivot and the round number 2,800. And if we had an ability to turn that into resistance, the next logical point was to come down and do the weekly pivot. So we're testing the weekly pivot now. We tested it, 3 in the morning, right around Europe Open. We retested it here. So you've got two looks at the weekly pivot. That's going to try to be matching lows and create a floor. We're trying to come up off of that now. If it can get above the 5-minute mid-band there at 97, I think it can reach back toward today's daily pivot at 2,800. At that point, we figure out, does the round number want to be resistance again? It had been last week. Or are they going to take it back up over the top and go deal with 2,809? If the bears can convert weekly pivot today, then that is the key to going back and retesting some of these lower areas and eventually, potentially then making a run at the daily mid-band at 2756. So we're talking about the same areas that we were talking about yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about them as potential support. Today we're talking about them as potential resistance. So that's the key, 2,800. This entire situation for the last 3 or 4 sessions has just been one big battle over 2,800. If the bulls win the day, we go to the upper band, 28.19. If the bears win the day, we migrate back towards last week's lows, and we'll see if they have enough juice to get down to the daily mid-band. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.